Father cannot walk with him hoodie name and in front of them, and the uncle cannot play loody, drop, snake and ladder pan Chantau crutches. What you say? Huh? What you say? Yeah, well, like Chantau verbo skin over a clit and suck it. Eh? And you can't even find your daughter pum pum because it live in a sea view. Eh? The all boat in a sea view. Your daughter little old all boat in a sea view. Go on, man. When Rosealee want go down to earth, me can go lower than Rosealee. You never know. Cause Rosealee produce a Chantau mouth want wash it full of cum want give her peroxide for drink like Heineken. And that me want do. So when she come and talk about me a rub out nasty Chantau. Yeah, me a rub out nasty Chantau where I walk a suck lecture and bite down the whole of sea view. Chantau all her mouth have been rabies, so it cocky scaby. What you say? When she let him for come suck her daughter, she never realized that the child not reach the age yet. So me a suck her daughter clit with my words. Don't come by me and go suck on her mother. Yeah, as simple as that. So what she say? Akeam would me want wear behind all my ears like a split. Like how it little me could have beat it like a split tail or a beady. Yeah? Exactly, braids. Tell them to come suck way. Yeah? Yeah, tell me about skin over your daughter. We don't have to skin over your daughter clip for suck it because your daughter walk without drawers. Remember your daughter walk a look cocky. Remember your daughter walk a hunt hood in a sea view. Remember she's a body tester. Remember it's a condom you bring. Your daughter all big like a Trojan or a long love. Come the man. Come the man we attack. Remember Chantau can bump on body till it's spew. Talk the man. The whole of we are reason. Me that tell you for go suck your mother Rosealee but you eat Laverne, so go suck Annie. Go suck Akeam mother we have your $800. Your $800,000. Go suck Annie. I can't tell if you go suck Laverne because you care zero. We like how you take care of Akeam and your mother him go suck Annie. Because you can't get Akeam for suck, so go suck the mother-in-law. Yeah? What you say? Because all the way are talking to Rosealee, because I don't leave Michael at Princess Street now down a south. Now out of back market. Go find your clip, make me suck it, Rosealee. Skin out pan life, make me lick out your possible. That me want you, the more you show the people them underneath your wrinkle. Come now, man. Come on, willing for the truth, dear. With your crutches. But you see your daughter it, me never go ugly up my mouth with the family album. Go take your uncle's saliva, go take her uncle's saliva out her hole. Remember Chantau alone PP out her uncle's throat. And Chantau alone you see her piss and her uncle's throat drop out her. Come now, Rosealee, the whole of we are reason. No fingerprint baby can't argue with me. All of we are reason, my love. Me dash my crutches far. Me no put my crutches in my address. Me dash my crutches far. Ask the email envelope. Yeah. Me no keep my crutches in my address. When me mail out this, me put to whom it may concern. As some me do my crutches. Your daughter pum pum in the family. Your daughter pum pum in the family, Rosealee. The little girl catches confused. Yeah. So yeah, say. So when you sit down and you talk, Akeam would more way behind me ears like a beady or a split tail, because my ears so it's there. Yeah. I want weird that I catch it off on my lip. Yeah. Like a Danamichi. What you say, Rosealee? Because all of we attack, you know. All of we attack. Because sucking is not my problem, you know. But when you go tell me to go suck the little girl who want to enroll in one clinic instead of school. Yeah, me not go do that. Me don't want to talk. Your daughter is infected. Yeah, go cleanse her all. She's too young for her catch germs and it's not toilet seat gear. Remember the grabber and the weed on the finger, give your daughter infection. Remember your daughter old name Stampango? Okay, cause nobody knowledge. Come now man, we attack. Remember you tell me suck the little girl with, you know. So it me I done now with my words. So I hope you can deal with it. Yeah. So that we are talking about. You see long you come and go. I'm about to up here this man, you vex. You vex all the people in on the FYP attack. So your daughter is a big woman. She's not only a big woman, she's a whore. She's a whore, she's a dog, she's a slut. Sometimes me don't want it to be funny. Me don't want it to be funny. Me never come for going to joke today. When me I get joke, you know about it, don't? Me not come for give a joke. The same way the mother leave the clit at Princess Street, I saw the daughter I go leave her all in the family album. Yeah. Me never come for it be funny. Me not like no me not like no for own upon this. So me never come for appease you know. Yeah. Exactly. So make it make sense. So when Rosealee attack out her mouth, she back up the wrong tree. She should have stopped a Nessa. You should have stopped a Nessa bling. You should have come here. So I tell you, I have some things that I want to tell your daughter. I want to give your daughter some beat up garlic. I want she insert and I want she swallow. And that I want she to insert and swallow. And that can we cure the little girl before she go back to school. You can imagine how much food she suck in her bathroom at the school where she go. And your daughter have a problem with her mouth, so she advertise her throat back with banana. Make me talk now. You know if you talk about suck Chantau, send out the one view. Send out the one view with Chantau skin out her bad hole in it. Send out the one view. Send out the one view because your daughter crotch is open like a bandy leg she have. Your daughter crotch is wide like a hula hoop on a bando. Send out the one view.
No, mama friend, you're right.
Yes, send out the one view where I work on. You now send it out. Don't tell me stop me and speak our language. So Shan come suck way from back with your side way underneath the toilet. Yeah. A Chantau where I wrap up Rosealee roommate and mate. Cause the same uncle we grind Rosealee and him a grind Chantau. Make we talk now. I talk where I talk, you know, the reason where I reason. After no cuss where I cuss, you're going to let nobody beat them chest and a shout. Nobody not beat them chest and a shout. Remember the little girl asleep with the uncle because the father gone look it elsewhere. Rosealee, then you think somebody did fear enough for. Remember I have no secret in a Rosealee because we're not dirty people. Remember I have no secret of the internet alone and can't trick, but all I know they can't trick me. I have no secret. Your daughter is a germs, is a baby drunker. Your daughter is a cocky tester. Always remember that. Your daughter is a cocky tester. Your daughter walk and test the body. Your daughter little old name Buster Youth. Them cocky use your daughter crutches as chappy. Let me tell you that. At that if I figure out. Remember you know the day national and parental guidance because I share grow you and Jakes. A family album your daughter name. So yeah, say, more when she go back to school, the children them call her family album. More when them she go back to school, them call her family album. I saw her crutch's name like mother like daughter, it can't get better. Like mother like daughter, it cannot get better. Family album, more them call Chantau when she go to school. And before you send back Chantau, before you even build the uniform, make sure you go relax, make sure you go vacation in a one clinic. Yeah, make sure you go vacation in a one clinic as a pum pum a twitch. The little girl all a twitch. Cause remember the uncle smoke weed with grabber. So everything leave up in a Chantau. Chantau clit one roll in a one Rosealee and give to Akeam for bun. Don't come about me. Do not come about me. Yeah, put Chantau all in a one clit cause it don't have the weed scent already. Put a clit in a one Rosealee and make Akeam bun it. Yeah. Me no name crutches in a Rosealee. Oh, it better they tell me for name Jakes Hood. Me no name crutches. Why you say out of your mouth? Because we are talk. Remember reason where reason. Eh? A reason where reason Rosealee, you come big and bold and the second time you say must come suck your dark cliff. Cause you know you ta walk a suck hood in a sea view. And nobody now put them out under Chantau cause she not beard. Remember no come out of the dirt alert family. Eh? Remember no come out of the dirt alert family. So now if you just walk, cocky you go rat in your teeth, I bet your wisdom teeth now go come up cause cocky you go push it back down. Talk about the one view where your dad skin out her ugly hole and she saw you. Talk about that now, Rosealee, yet her crutches will look like her face. Come tell you, don't come by me. Don't come by me, think we're gonna make you get with that time, yeah? At the second time you want skin over, go skin over Chantau in a one clinic. It's infected. It's infected from your daughter and then she catch disease in her hole. Go and fix that before you come and advertise her crutches to people suck. Go and go fix that. And her uncle done a name it. And she would have name back the uncle, cause you know so now body rabbit. I'm not Rosealee. Whereas like how you party in your ear wide, like Chantau hole. Come on man. And them something you like. Yeah. So make we give it to you. Of course she send out one viewer skin out. And the mother not talk about that. The mother pray for it to come out. Talk about the one view. It varies about. Yeah, she know Chantau body rabbit. Yeah, so make it make sense. Why you never come to me by yourself? Why you come to me with Chantau? Why you never bring your crutches alone, come give me Rosealee? Why you bring your daughter all, come give me your nose and a virginity in it? Eh? Because fingers and thumbs keep moving. Come now man. Come now, remember every time Chantau want people, the uncle mouth water she piss out. Come now. Yeah, come boy, come skin over me and Chantau clit and suck it. Akeam would me want suck, you go suck any clit. Oh, Akeam would me want suck. Yeah. Yeah, come attack, you know a body me eat. You know a body me eat. You know me eat cocky and you advertise your dog all the clinic a call. Your dog belly bottom rancid. Go on man. Now come by me with your dog crutches, Rosealee, wrong smaddy. When somebody else will overlook it and go on the most wrong smaddy. Me go mud your nasty daughter. Don't send her back to school, send her to clinic. Oh, cause Chantau a little bit and sick. The little bit and sick, she ill. Yeah, now come by me. Me tell you every day, me not spare you. Yeah. Me not spare you. Yeah, bring your daughter to me. Carry her back to the uncle. And the uncle know for service Chantau crutches. Oh. Carry her back to the uncle, my love. Remember you come from the internet and tell me say Jakes I walk with him hoodie name and in front of her. Not me. You're that exposed to cocky in the family. Yeah. Very. Yeah. Remember, not me. Not me, my love. Yeah, you come up here and talk all of them something there. Remember, we're not supposed to have a case with the uncle and Chantau. We're not supposed to have a case with the uncle. All that just run underneath the rug, so. Ain't no because the whole family do you Rosealee and them tired of your crutches now them start from the young one. Tell Chantau to go fix the family album underneath her. Tell her go fix that Woody Woodpecker. Yeah? Yeah, come with your daughter. Why you never face me by yourself? Why you bring your daughter the second time you tell me to come suck your tackle it and you know her all infected. You know fine bump there for your little girl crutches. You know fine bump there for your little girl crutches. You know your daughter is a baby germs. You know she's a baby germ. So what you say out of your mouth, my baby? What you say out of your mouth? Make a reason. Then you think me gonna make this slide? You think me gonna make this slide? Hey Rosealee, Akeam would want suck, I'm gonna reach it before you. Cause I want you know you want to suck the shit center for Akeam body and can't do it. Yeah? You will advertise Chantau for walk and take cocky where you can get. Come here Rosealee, cause so you like to walk and sell people. Yeah, me never gonna spare you this trip. But me for skin over Chantau when Chantau clit drop out her. Eh? When infection around the girl all Chantau clit hang out her she like chandelier. Hang out her she. Eh? What you say? Chantau all 1 inches cause it come like a old door. What you say? Me never gonna make you slide today. You're too brave underneath it. I want to suck Akeam and you go suck Annie, which is your mother-in-law. Suck out the 800,000 out of Annie where you laying her. Yeah? You brighty? Then you think me gonna make you slide all the evening like this evening? Worse me eat the pathway in your head. It's too wide like your daughter crutches. Yeah. Me never gonna make you slide this evening. Maybe another evening. But not this evening. You're out of order. You know my fault the FYP take up on me saying run with it and talk so your daughter is Asian type of day. Lionel, me hear you. Eh? Come now man, me never gonna make you get way today. Today is the day you never did go get way. Yeah. You make a Lionel shout me out. Today is the day you never did go get way. With your baby or peace sign can do in your daughter touches cause her all wide like a bandy leg she have in her belly. You never gonna get way today. If the father cannot walk with him hoodie name and in front of them and the uncle cannot play loady, drop, snake and ladder pan Chantau crutches, what you say? Huh? What you say? Yeah, well like Chantau virgin but skin over a clit and suck it. Eh? And you can't even find your daughter pum pum cause it live in a sea view. Eh? The all boat in a sea view. Daughter little old all boat in a sea view. Go on man. Hmm? What you say? You think say me that go easy pan her? Me never go get easy pan the toilet bump. Never. Yeah. So when you sit down and attack and I look sympathy, Rosealee, you should never bring your daughter crutches to me. A child is a child. Why you never come defend her? Why you never come defend her, Rosealee? Why you bring her come? Hmm? Why you bring her come? So when people say stop his Rosealee, bring the child to me, I know say me not order this. Not even from IAP. I never order this. Why you never say me to come eat your clit and suck Akeam out? Why you never say that? Why you bring Chantau dirty old come? Hmm? Why you bring the girl dirty crutches come? Why you bring baby germs come? Forgive me horse throat. Explain all of that to me. I just a part them want you explain. Hmm? Can you cause my ex for me? Yeah, you should do that, Rosealee. I know me not partial. Hmm? Rosealee can't tell me say me hungry. I come and assault that you're hungry for eat. Rosealee can't tell me say me hungry because nobody never finger me na grind me. I never suck nobody out for a cigarette yet. I could have half a cigarette. Me never do that yet. So Rosealee in a position to talk about me. When she talk about hungry, she feed Akeam. So Akeam must have been hungry before she find him. So she can't come about me. Yeah. I mean not if that tell her about her family, they must leave you. I wouldn't dare tell her about Laverne and the rest of her family, they must leave you. I wouldn't dare. Rosealee is a hungry girl. Remember how hungry girl Rosealee, Chantau and Barbara. Remember it's hungry girl them. Oh. So Rosealee cannot sit and talk say me hungry. Hungry I come and assault. If you never hungry yet, you don't know what food tastes like. So Rosealee make it make sense. We still a talk about your dad dirty hole. We still a talk about from the baby at 9 she catch infection based on the family. And that we a talk about. We not talk about nothing else, Rosealee. Remember finger infection time. Hmm? Remember finger infection time. We not talk about me and hungry. Oh. We not talk about me and hungry, my love. We are talk about your little daughter. We are talking about your dad we did have to walk and suck wood and take feel up to get a meal. And that we are talking about. Yeah, when hungry little kid, she just take a boy feet in her community. Remember a long time Chantau get a regular feel up with dirt. And that we are talking about. And your daughter we are talking about, Rosealee. We not talking about me, you know. We not talking about me and hungry. Cause you are feed Akeam, so Akeam must have been hungry for you to feed him. Hmm? Somebody says she be with the big A that a Rosealee granny really down on the ground, my love. Remember Chantau close to AIDS because she a grind without condom. Chantau close to AIDS and HIV. Remember she the only baby catch syphilis. Hmm? Remember she's the only baby catch syphilis, my baby. Chantau the only little girl when me see her take things for infection. Come the man where I talk. Yeah. So when I not talk about this and talk about that, go fix Rosealee pocket. She the only little girl where I take canisteen from 9 and now she 11. Remember she verse with clinic. She have her own prescription I walk with for her crutches. Come now man. A reason why reason, you know. A reason why reason we not cause. Hmm? A reason why reason we not cause. Hmm? Attack we attack. You not call for no animosity. Rosealee break history. And she alone produced something from them a 90 injection pill. Come no man. Them depend cure up. Attack we attack, you know. Because Rosealee knows that she's not supposed to come about me. Rosealee start at 10, the daughter start at 9, and the auntie start at 14. Come now, man. Appear young age, them take hood, you know. Appear young age, them take hood. That's why she couldn't advertise her all no more, because the one view not sell, so she have to suck the banana and go get the youth. Come now, man. And them something the Chantau fling down, and Rosealee not attack. Yeah, them something the Chantau fling down, and Rosealee not talking. So when she fix all of that, she come about me. She should never come about me, because I not ease up off of them. I not ease up off of them. We're born Rosealee, are true. Everybody I say, when Shebada say, it's true on the FYP, and she not like it. You understand me? Well, the next move she need to do now, put on Chantau clinic uniform and make sure enroll in the local clinic and see you. She need to eat up her antibiotic. Yeah, she need to eat up her antibiotic. We not keep that's a child. The mother said I must come suck the child's clit. So me I suck it with my words. So don't come and tell me say that's a child go suck your mother. Oh, Miss G. Yeah. Don't name out your mother, Miss G. Don't come to me. So the whole I go play deaf ears. And go like so they never hear Rosealee for the second time tell me for skin over Chantau clit and suck it. And that's why Jake's brother and yam it. Yeah. Cause she like advertise young old to old people. Right. So when me I do wrong, me I walk in and order she not talk. She give me a command and me I do it. So only never hear. Only never hear at all though. Okay. That same little informer we should have a she me attack. Yes, so anything at all when you suit on yes, so on not have to come. Can me skin up my body hole and go now. Yeah. You never know. I not argue with Chantau. I just tell Chantau say from she 9-year-old she depend on antibiotic for her crutches. It's the second time she tell me so. The first time it never appear in her mind. Me leave her alone. And now to me never say nothing about it. Today me never gonna make Rosealee pass. Me never gonna make her pass. You see like her part fever Moses and the Red Sea. I saw me I deal with the little girl. Yeah, some me I deal with the little girl. You never know. Some me I deal with the Rosealee young cocky rabbit. Yeah. Me I deal with the little girl when I have no virginity. Where uncle suck out the whole or all. You never know. I saw me I deal with her. And one thing that little girl that go up and say, you see that old girl that we name Shebada, she never run joke with me when me little. That me want. Yeah, she grow me better than my mother. Yeah, that me want. When Chantau piss out the uncle mouth water, Chantau piss out. Come on, man, the whole we attack. Yeah. The whole we are raised, no, me now, of course. Me just a follow orders. Me just a follow orders. And that me want. Cause if in a mind shop, Chantau soon makes chukums do her. She soon make chukums do her. Any day them detain her or them punish her, she gonna make the dog do her because the family of them have a body spirit. Yeah. So you can't talk about me. Chantau must open up one day make chukums lick her bad hole. Me not ask you. I Rosealee remember on a nasty, you know. And people not believe how nasty on a be, you know. But I will tell you, my baby. So when you bring your daughter come to me, wrong clinic, wrong clinic, wrong clinic, me na back docket, wrong clinic. Yeah. Wrong clinic, Rosealee. Cause Chantau would all use a deal with the rat shit pan long ago from Shebada see you. Remember the top dry keeping, Remember it's the top dry keeping. If it could hold in the girl, she must use it and beat her all. Me not argue with you. Me not argue with you. Your daughter exposed to your sex life. So that's why me a reason with that. That's why you always I tell people to come suck her. Suck here to be infected, Rosealee. That baby germs. Come on, man. Be real. Be real.